At Hisco, we strive for fast, friendly service. We've built the continent's largest network of AS9120 warehouses, nurtured excellent relationships with the industry's leading manufacturers, and developed the most technically trained sales staff in the industry, all with you in mind. This allows us to offer a uniquely wide scale of service, unmatched in the industry, ranging from personalized online ordering to on-site equipment and personnel. Because of our vast network of AS9120 warehouses, we deliver anywhere in North America within 2 days. This means you get the part you need when you need it. Our technically trained reps work with businesses like yours to help manage short shelf life items with long lead times to keep your production up and running. We also focus on finding cost savings for our customers. To date, we have documented $150 million in cost savings in businesses like yours. This goes beyond reducing the cost of our products. Our reps work with your engineers to help improve throughput, avoid downtime, and eliminate waste. Can't quite find the correct part size? Is the chemical you need only packaged in bulk? Is that paint color not quite right? No worries, our precision converting division can fabricate any part you need, and our adhesive materials group will repackage chemicals in a delivery system that suits your needs. And Aero Colors will match any color you desire. And did you know Hisco is entirely employee owned? This means our team of over 400 people is a part of your team. We all have a vested interest in your success.